हमारे बस जाओ। दिशा में बस जाओ।
An artistic expression. It is really impressive. Events, etc. A science exhibition cum digital fest is a wonderful tool that engages students in learning new facts. It provides platform for the students to use their scientific knowledge to develop new inventions and challenge their brains. Our school believes that exhibition helps to explore. Is a testament to our commitment to the field of AI and coding. I request Reverend Sister Joanna, Principal, to honor our chief.
What is that?
In enhancing our school communication and connectivity through make them good citizens for the society. Principals, teachers and students. May the flame of excellence guide us on our journey towards success. Indeed.
Good morning all. Respected Principal of St. Teresa Convent School, Reverend Sister Maria John, my friend Mr. Madhu Menon, Mr. Sunil, Master Arnav Vasekar, all teachers, teaching, non-teaching staff, parents. It is indeed a privilege for me and also the honor to have me with us here for this digital fest which is being organized by St. Teresa School in association with Amplus Sanctia. People keep saying in the corporate world that it's the high time now for the leadership, and yes, you people are now showing that particular thing by showcasing your talent at this school level. I really appreciate the initiatives taken by the St. Teresa School for understanding the need of the future and also preparing the young minds nurturing them with the right platform that can give the right directions to the children where they can excel themselves.
Sir, but anyway, I am always happy coming back to a school because this morning when I walked in through the gate, this place put in a lot of energy into me, a lot of positivity into me, and I love coming back to school. 47. Now what is 2047? Can anybody guess? Wild guess? 47 is presumably the right timeline where we should take India to #1. Not only in the field of science and technology, but to every single field that we have. Because if we are to be a global leader, we just can't do our best in science and technology. We have to do our best in sports, finance, economy, improving people's life, your environment, and that is where you students today are going to drive this. The next 23 or 24 years is what you have to reach this target and make this possible.
Schools and all my dear beloved young scientists. Our former President APJ Abdul Kalam once said, "You have to dream before your dreams can come true." I feel elated and honored to stand before you because we had a dream and today the dream has come true. There is always a podium laid for every individual to dream, to desire, to determine, to decide their destiny. And St. Teresa's Convent High School is one of the best in discovering every approach as trying to bloom into vibrant color. And today we have Arnav Ratan Vaseka, a next-gen innovator and an international champion. He has brought laurels to our school. His achievement is a shining example of what can be accomplished with passion, persistence and determination. Arnav, heartiest congratulations for your outstanding achievement.
Principal Reverend Sister Joanne, all my dear buddies, our chief guests, Reverend Sister Rose, Sunil sir, Sharif sir, and all the parents and teachers. As I have gone to the International DG Fest held in Riyadh, it was quite a good experience where you get to visit others' project as well. So my category was like from 6th standard to 8th standard, but the second category was from 9th to 12th standard, and you won't believe how extraordinary the projects were. Like in one of them was a fire extinguisher project, which detects fire and goes near to it and extinguishes it with carbon dioxide or water. Look how amazing the ideas were there, so you can prompt even one idea for the next DG Fest also. The creativity is on a next level in that DG Fest.
Cyber Titan. A huge round of applause for all our dignitaries. Together as our AI robotic camp is being inaugurated. Thank you to all the dignitaries. As the audience is all set to see your exhibits. Yes. We are trying to.
And then the right button is pressed, the automatically call to a diet, and then the center button is road accident. Yes, you have plans to make more right number like all the files will be loaded. And the second process is for hot word detection. Hot word meaning, so whenever you speak its name, which are contained words, so whenever you speak its name, it will boom. So now it has face authentication for security reasons also. So after it's the loading interface is done, it reads the user, how can we help you. Then that's the main interface for us.
Good. When you started. Consistently, keep doing, keep learning, because technology is like within the blink of eyes it gets changes. So morning you wake up, something new will be there. So that consistency you have to maintain. Do not lose your interest. Maintain that enthusiasm. Keep learning, keep growing. Okay, and always see to that how you can address the social issues with the technology, how you can help the community, how you can help yourself with the technology, right? And always work on the ethical aspects and considerations of any technology, maybe AI or whatever digitalization is there. Okay, so you are tomorrow's leader. You will be representing our country in next, as sir mentioned, 2047. Prepare yourself. Okay, be strong. Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you.
So much of trouble, had a very hard time to do the judgment. So then, my dear students, clap. I know you are tired. But he's a ex-student, Canadian. Kriti Shetty from Standard 8. As a name, 8th standard. Third prize goes to Advait. Second prize goes to Category 3. Second position goes to Gaming. Second position for AI package. Okay, now the third position for AI. There is one more second position. Rayan Ali. Round of applause, of course, for this trio. Now the third position, AI IoT robotics. Second position, AI 8, once again. And one more second position, Jahan.
So, respected dignitaries, principals, teachers, parents, and dear students. So, it's a privilege to be here for the first ever Digital Fest at St. Teresa, Mumbai, a historic moment for the city. And Digital Fest is a platform for the students to showcase their talent and ideas, starting from national level, then school level, then going to national level, finally international level opportunities. It's a step forward to transforming their mindset from being users to creators of technology. So such kind of progress would not be possible without the support of unwearying support of parents, dedication of our computer teachers, and the visionary leadership of our principal. So thanks all for joining today to make this reality. Thank you very much.
Thanks, sister, to giving us an opportunity to conduct the Digital Fest. Without your support, I don't think so this will be conducted in such a smooth way. And other than that, I would really say that these are the cyber heroes who have guided our students to bring this platform.
We have Sanjana teacher, Jisha teacher. Very long time. Nothing would have been possible.
Digital Fest, it's a platform for the students, so to showcase their talent and ideas. So actually it is starting from school level, then growing to the national level, finally international level opportunity. So it will change their mindset from being users to creators of technology. Basically we provide computer textbooks, which coding AI aligned textbooks. Also we provide cloud-based coding LMS, so the students can learn the coding very easily. It's completely cloud-based, so student can use it from anywhere, from any device. So that is the most important. Also useful for the teachers. There are a lot of features, AI features integrated with this platform. so teachers can more focus on the students, so they can that all the evaluation they can do easily with the AI features. So it will be very useful for the computer teachers. So that is our vision.
This is Sunil here from MindGoal Solution associated with CyberSquare. CyberSquare, what I should say, is a global AI robotics platform which they have created. Which are associated in like 10 countries. I am very happy to say that with associate with them, we are the first time conducted the Digital Fest in Mumbai, and the first time we have started in St. Teresa Convent School. I am very happy to say that here we started 5 months before, and what we saw, the students had performed in a very different way. One of our students was like participated in the International Digital Fest in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, and very happy to say he was awarded the first prize in AI robotics. And other than that, today this was to all students of St. Teresa Convent School, and it was a really different platform where we saw many students showcasing their products in AI, robotics, TikTok, and so it was really great. And this is the first edition. In coming year, we will be coming with more and more schools, more and more education systems, where students will be getting a new platform, because everywhere they are conducting sports contests, annual sports. This is the first time we have created a robotic AI platform which is called as Digital Fest. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so myself Raksha Pasad, and as being a part of the school as a judge, and so very much grateful for the school as well as the CyberSquare. Since they have provided a great platform for the school, as well as they have started with the first attempt onto the DigiFest in the school with the exhibition part. So we are just having a lot of PPTs, presentations, visual boarding platforms, all have been provided to the CyberSquare itself. And the students are very much familiar working on that. They are provided with a great IoT, robotics and all. So as a part of this, I would suggest that it would be has been a great DigiFest exhibition, no doubt. It was much more better. But rather than that, if we are having any suggestions onto that, so maybe it would be like more of the requirements, what they are expecting as a student, and obviously the teachers and all, if we guide them, it would be more better, so that it can be good to a next level, an advanced level also, and we get more CyberSquare and as well as the school can also keep like more types of exhibitions on the much greater level and platform. So great work with the CyberSquare. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, myself Ansa Jovel. I came here as a judge for the DigiFest, and it was very glad to see that St. Teresa School has organized this event of DigiFest in association with CyberSquare, and I could see children are so much encouraged and motivated to participate in this event, and I think you all must have seen the projects here. It was related to AI, robotics and coding. Students were so much excited to show their projects, and it was very great to see that at this level, class 2nd standard, 3rd standard, till 10th standard, they are so much progressed in technology. Otherwise, it's actually degree students or students after 12 to know about this technology, but it's great to know that at school level itself they are learning about these technologies. So by the time they reach to their 10th or 12th, they will make greater projects and get patents on that. So I thank for giving me this opportunity for judging the event, and I would like the team to also give more information about such Digital Fest to the parents, so that they can push these kids and more kids participate in such events in future. Thank you.
हेलो, मेरा नाम मीत है। मैं पहले तो बहुत थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा सबको कि मेरे को यहाँ पे बुलाया गया है। और मेरा बात करूँ तो मैंने मास्टर्स किया है कंप्यूटर साइंस में। यहाँ पे आज मैं जज बन के आया हूँ। यहाँ पे आके बहुत अच्छा लगा। स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा इंकरेज हो रहे हैं, इनोवेशन बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है। अभी से स्टूडेंट्स यंग एज से स्टूडेंट्स इसमें लगे हुए हैं, तो आई एम श्योर कि व्हेन दे ग्रो अप दे वुड मेक वाइज चॉइसेस, बिकॉज इट एक्ट्स लाइक करियर काउंसलिंग एज वेल। स्टूडेंट्स को पता चल जाता है कि इनका इंटरेस्ट किस में है और वो क्या करना चाहते हैं। तो बस यही बोलूँगा स्टूडेंट्स को कि बहुत अच्छा किया है उन्होंने और ऐसे ही आगे करते रहें।
थैंक यू सेंट टेरेसा स्कूल एंड डिजिटल फेस्ट। इसके वजह से हमको आगे जो अपडेटेड वर्जन है वो सब देखने मिला। ये फर्स्ट है, हम लोग ने यूएस में देखा था ये सब टेक्नोलॉजी, ये अभी फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे महाराष्ट्र में बोलिए, मुंबई में बोलिए, ये डिजिटल फेस्ट ने ये जो स्पॉन्सर किया है, बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम स्पॉन्सर किया है और हम लोग उनका थैंकफुल है कि हम लोग के बच्चे इसकी वजह से अभी आगे जा रहे हैं।
थँक्यू सेंट टेरेसा शाळा। आमच्या मुलांना हे सायन्स एक्झिबिशन असे आहेत, हे डिजिटल एक्झिबिशनमुळे आमच्या मुलांना जास्त शिकण्याचा प्रोत्साहन मिळतं आहे। त्याच्याबद्दल थँक्यू मॅनेजमेंट, थँक्यू शाळा टीचर्स वगैरह सगळ्यांसाठी।
तो नए AI क्लासेस हमारे स्कूल में शुरू हुए हैं सेंट टेरेसा में, उसकी वजह से हम देख पा रहे हैं कि बच्चों को बहुत अच्छा फ़ायदा हो रहा है। बच्चे मतलब उसमें अच्छे से इंटरेस्ट ले रहे हैं और कुछ नया चीज़ सीख भी रहे हैं। तो थैंक्स फॉर दिस करिकुलम। और ये जो आज डिजिटल फेस्ट जो इन्होंने कंडक्ट किया है वो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है और हम सब पेरेंट्स उस चीज़ के लिए थैंकफुल है।
ओके।